Hello students, let's continue unit number 5, the effects of using IT. In this video we will discuss about the last topic of this unit, that is potential health problems related to prolonged use of IT equipments. So there can be a number of health problems that you can suffer if you use ICT devices incorrectly or for too long period. What can be the major risk? Repetitive strain injury, back and neck strain, eye strain and headaches. First of all, repetitive strain injury. RSI causes painful swelling of the wrist and the fingers. So it can cause the painful swelling of the wrist and the fingers. What can be the causes? Typing on a computer for too long period, holding the mouse incorrectly, using a mouse for long period, and working in a cramped workspace. These can be causes for the RSI. And how you can prevent? What can be the preventions? You should take breaks to rest your hands. Use an ergonomic keyboard or mouse. Arrange your workspace so you are not cramped, and use a wrist rest. Next problem, back and neck strain. What can be the causes for the back and the neck strain? Working in a cramped workspace, not sitting upright into a chair, or incorrect positioning of the computer screen. How you can prevent this? You should take regular breaks to stretch your body. Use adjustable chairs so you can sit in a position suitable for your height. Tilt the computer screen so it is set just below your eye level, and keep your feet flat on the floor. The third major problem is eye strain and the headache. Staring at a computer screen for too long can strain your eyes and cause headaches. So what can be the major causes? Staring at a computer screen for a long time, using a computer screen with a glare or flickers, working in a room with bad lighting, or dirt on the screen. So how you can prevent? You should take regular breaks. Use LCD screens rather than CRT, as they have less flicker. You should use an anti-glare screen. Ensure that room lighting is good enough, and keep the screen clean of dirt. So use of IT equipment to minimize the health risk. It's better if you have the prolonged use, then you should use ergonomic chairs which are adjustable to suit the needs of the user. Use of ergonomic designed workstations, use for ergonomic keyboards, and use of voice recognition software to reduce the amount of mouse clicking and typing. In this way you can prevent from the different injuries. Thank you very much for listening. This is all for this chapter.